What's going on, folks? I want to make this video real quick to show you what could be wrong with your motorcycle. If for some reason your power keeps like flickering on your bike when you're riding it, or your battery on your motorcycle is going dead. The issue that you could have could be one of three things. You could have either a bad stator, a bad rectifier, or a bad battery. What your stator is on most bikes, if you look over on this one right here, we're actually on the left side of the bike pretty much. If you look down right here, right behind these bolts right here is going to be a stator. And what your stator does is it puts out AC current pretty much that then runs to your rectifier, which is what this is right here, that then converts that AC current into DC current that then goes to your motorcycle battery itself, as well it goes to like all your lights and stuff, electronic parts of your motorcycle. So traditionally, normally most stators will put out about 65 volts at 5,000 RPMs. Rear your bike up to 5,000 RPMs. Normally your stator, which is right here, should put out 65 volts. And the way you can test that is, once you've taken off the frame on your motorcycle, you can come up here to where your stator itself goes to your rectifier, and you can unplug it and you can test in here. You would basically test in here with a multimeter on AC current pretty much to make sure that you're getting out 65 volts when you're rolling your bike up to around 5,000 RPMs. And if that's putting out correctly, then that would tell you that your stator itself is good, and most likely now you have a problem with your rectifier. This is what this is right here. Most of these things are pretty simple for you to take off, and it's like a couple screws that's on it, and they're basically plug and play. So all you will be doing is just unplugging it. I'm gonna show you what your stator looks like. This right here is actually your stator that goes into your bike. When you take off that cover I showed you, this pretty much is what your stator looks like. And this over here is a rectifier that we've already removed from off of the motorcycle. So between these two things right here, as well as your battery, these are basically three components of your motorcycle that makes up your electrical part of it, that keeps your battery charged up, that keeps your lights on, turn signals, horns, and all that. It's between your stator and your rectifier and your battery. And like I said, I'll show you again, on a motorcycle, to get to these parts, normally you'll have to take off some of your fairings that's on your bike. Like I said, to get to this one over here, we had to take off the left side fairings. We just put off right here. And like I said, right behind here is going to be our stator. And then you come up here, follow up on this one. This is your rectifier. So if you see a box that looks like this on your motorcycle, this right here is your rectifier itself. And once again, what your rectifier does is it converts the AC current from your stator into DC current that's then used to charge up your battery as well as run the rest of your motorcycle. Alright, so basically when you're testing your rectifier right here, what you can do is once you start your motorcycle up, this is a 12 volt battery, so you should be getting about 12.8 volts on your battery just without, say, it being charged up. But when you're testing your rectifier right here, what you should be getting is around 14 point somewhere around there volts onto your battery itself when you're testing your rectifier. And if you got your motorcycle running, everything's hooked up correctly, and you test your battery and you're somewhere like around 12 volts or something like that, 12.8, that's telling you that your rectifier is not sending DC voltage the way it should be to your battery itself. And also, like I said, if your lights are flickering and all that up on your dash, that's also a sure sign that you got something going wrong. Alright folks, once again, I just wanted to make this video just in case you're having a problem with your motorcycle with the battery either keep going dead or you're having flickering light problems that's telling you have something going on with your electrical components of your bike. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.